Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we want to present about presentation 1. Topic occupation safety and health. My name is Muhammad Aminuddin bin Muhammad Syafuddin. My group member is Muhammad Syahmi Nazran bin Zulkarnain, Muhammad Atik bin Muhammad Azizi. Workplace environment and ergonomics. We can understand workstation design principle, understand workplace environment, understand ergonomic risk, appreciate the proper and safe method of ergonomics in the workplace.
This is OSHA rules and legislation. This part contains test method that employers can use in ascertaining whether a wood pole is capable of sustaining the force imposed by an employee climbing the pole. When a pole is set, moved, or removed near an exposed energized overhead conductor, the employer shall ensure that each employee wears electrical protective equipment or uses insulated device when handling the pole, and that no employee contacts the pole with uninsulated parts of his or her body. Towers and structures. The following requirements apply to work performed on towers or other structures that support overhead lines. Passing object to employee. The employer should ensure the employees do not pass uninsulated equipment or material between a pole or structure and an aerial lift while an employee working from the bucket is bonded to an energized part. Towers and structures. The following requirements apply to work performed on towers or other structures that support overhead lines. Tag lines. The employer should ensure that employees use tag lines or other similar device to maintain control of tower sections being raised or positioned unless the employer can demonstrate that the use of such device would create a greater hazard to employees. Disconnecting load lines. The employer should ensure that employees do not detach the load line from a member or section until they safely secure the load. Adverse weather conditions. The employer should ensure that, except during emergency restoration procedures, employees discontinue work when adverse weather conditions would make the work hazardous in spite of the work practices required by this subpart.
Okay, about hierarchy for using projector. The first task is selling mounted projectors. The hazard that maybe can happen is projector may fall from ceiling, injuring visitor or staff. Because of projector inadequately fits to ceiling. The possibility is 3, and how to control that by projector installed by highly skilled specialists using appropriate equipment and secure fixing. Okay, for the second task, wall-mounted LCD screen. LCD screen may be fall from while injuring visitor or staff because of inadequately fits to wall, and the possibility is 3. So how we control this? By install with highly skilled specialists using appropriate equipment and secure fixing. And the last one task is all electrical equipment. The hazard that may be happen is electrical appliance may electrocute visitors or staff because of faulty equipment or inadequate installation. So the possibility is also 3, and how to control it by use equipment is regularly PAT test. All AV equipment is installed by highly trained specialists. So from our opinion on safe work practice to maintain healthy and safe work environment and ergonomics, a safe work environment should be. From our opinion on safe work practices to maintain healthy and safe work environment and ergonomics, a safe work environment should be a high priority for organization. Indeed, under occupational health and safety law, employers have a responsibility to create and maintain a safe workplace and comply with OSHA regulation. But putting up a few safety posters and running safety training session once a year is not enough. And one more, make sure employees have and use safe tool and equipment and properly maintain this equipment. Workplace digital signals is an effective tool for enforcing injury prevention, raise awareness around proper handling of hazardous materials, lockout, tagout, and machine guarding.
This our recommended for improvement. Train employees well. Comprehensive training is a must for preventing workplace injury. Use labor and signs. Labor and signs are a cheap and effective way to quickly communicate important information. They are usually simple and rely on picture to detail hazard and proper procedure. Keep things clear. Keep things clean. Messy workplace can lead to unnecessary accidents. Make sure box etiquette safely and clean it up quickly. Have regular meeting on workplace safety. It never hurt to be over prepared. Regular meeting to review safety rules and discuss prevention. Keep workplace safety top of mind so that when something doesn't happen, everyone know what to do right way. For example, picture of cable installation work on high poles for a long time. That's all for us. Thank you.